Hey you guys, it's Ivy, and today I'm coming on here with a makeup tutorial. As you guys can see, I did a cute little look today. Today I actually used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I was so excited to get this palette, you guys. So I came up with this little look. It's not perfect. You guys will see in the footage, like, it was all over the place, but it turned out really pretty. I tried to do something different than what I usually do. Still turned out being kind of neutral. I'm gonna do another tutorial with this palette that's like more color based. I don't even know how I ended up neutral again today. But if you guys want to see how I got this cute look, keep on watching. And I know you guys are gonna ask about my hair. I have gray curls. Yeah. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I got my hair this color, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If you're interested in this hair, I will link the video to this hair as well. So yeah, let's get right into that makeup. So today we are going to be doing some eye makeup, and I'm a little nervous because I have no idea what I want to do. I didn't pre-plan this makeup look. I finally got my hands on the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So this is what the palette looks like straight out of the box. It is really, really pretty. I like this like iridescent snake skin situation going on. It's really, really nice packaging. So these are here are all the colors, and you guys, this palette is so nice. Oh my goodness, it's really, really pretty. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my eye base, and I'm using the P.LOUISE base in number 5. It really works well keeping my eyeshadows in place. I have very oily lids, so I definitely need something like bulletproof, and this definitely is. And I'm just blending out this base with a brush. And you don't have to use this base, you guys. You can use a concealer. You can use whatever you have. I bought it, so I'm gonna use it. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is, I'm gonna go in with the color Ginger. So this is the color Ginger right here. I'm gonna use this as like my transition color. And I'm kind of being a punk because I really don't know what to start with first, but I'm just gonna grab this because it's a safe color for me, you know? It's pretty safe. And right off the back, they're very pigmented, very, very pigmented. This is a really pretty transition color for dark skin. I really like this. Now y'all know me, I will put this on and put a gold on the lid and I'm done. But I'm gonna try to push myself today. I'm gonna try to give you guys some, like, a good look, you know. I'm not the biggest eyeshadow person, but I'm gonna try, okay? The next color I'm gonna go into is Edges. And this is Edges right here. And I really like the names of the colors. I think they're super, super cute. Really, really nice and creative. And Edges is also a pretty color to use in the crease. It's nice and bold. It shows up really nice on me. I like it. And for this look, I threw in contacts because, like I told you guys, I wanted something that's gonna pop and give you a little flavor. I didn't want to be so basic today. The next color I'm gonna go into is Credit. And this is Credit right here. Now on camera it reads a lot more light, but it's a really nice, rich, deep brown color. And I'm gonna try to do, what are these looks called? It's kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it. What do you guys call these when it's like deepened on both sides and then the inner part is light? That's the look I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna attempt to do today. Y'all don't judge me if this don't come out perfect. I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. I don't think I've ever done a look like this on myself. So I'm interested to see how this is gonna turn out. So basically I'm taking the color Credit and I'm applying it on the outer and inner corners of my eyes. I think I'm gonna start challenging myself, you guys, more to doing bold looks and actually leaving out the house, because I got some errands to run later. I don't know if I'm gonna leave with this on. I don't know, it's a little bold. And I'm just slowly building up the color. I don't wanna apply too much at once and have myself looking too bold because it's gonna scare me. So, one thing I had to learn with eyeshadow is like, don't be scared to apply it. Like, my biggest fear is looking like the person with too much eyeshadow or too bright foundation. Like, so embarrassing. So now I think I'm gonna go into the color Lituation. I like this color. I think it matches like my hair. So I'm gonna apply this in the center. And this is a really pretty color. I don't have to wet it or anything. It goes on really buttery smooth, which I like. I like a lot. Oh, it's nice. Really nice. I think I need to go back though. And add some of that dark brown color. I think I'm liking how it's coming out. Y'all like how it's coming out? I hope so. It's a little harder than I thought, but I got it. So I think I'm gonna go in with the color Sponsored, that one right there. And now let me see, I don't even know where am I gonna apply Sponsored. I guess I'll put it on the other side. Now I see why I don't do looks like this. They're hard. And don't know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Okay. So now I'm just gonna blend again. I'm gonna take the color Zam. I'm gonna take this color right here. Zam Zaddy. That's the color I'm gonna use. Okay. So I'm only gonna put a teeny bit of this. Okay. This is not really giving me what I wanted, this color. It's pretty, but I thought it was gonna like pop more. Yeah, I thought this is like more of a chunkier glitter color. I think this will look better if I apply it like wet or something. I am gonna go in and fix that and blend at the top, so don't worry about it. And I'm gonna go back into Sponsored and put a little bit of that back on the sides because I kind of wiped it away. And I'm gonna go back in the color Edges and just apply a little bit. Now I'm gonna apply the color Lituation on my lower lash line. I really like this color. It's like one of my favorite ones. Then I'm gonna take the color Sponsored and put like in the center part. Now I'm gonna go in with some mascara and lashes, and I'm using some nice bold lashes today. And my favorite eyelash glue to use is the Sassy Eyelash Glue. And it's kind of made like hair glue, but it doesn't have all the chemicals and it doesn't have the fumes and stuff in there, so it doesn't irritate your eye. Check for this at your local beauty supply store. And I know you guys are gonna ask me what lashes these are. These are from my lash line that never came out. At this point, I'm kind of not feeling like starting a lash line, but I don't know. If I decide not to put my lash line out, I'll just do a video sharing my vendors with you guys, like, cause yeah. And the concealer I'm using is the new Double Wear concealer, which I absolutely love. So now I'm just gonna go in and set this concealer with my Pretty Vulgar setting powder. And you guys, this stuff is bomb. It is a translucent setting powder, but you guys, it works so good. No flashback. I promise it keeps everything from creasing. And it's just, look at that. What? Wow. I love the setting powder so much. It literally erases my bags and makes me look freaking flawless. So once I'm done with my eyes, I like to go in and put my lower lash mascara. I like to do that after I've concealed and everything. So you guys know I have to snatch this face. I'm gonna be using my Prime Beauty bronzer in Chocolate Litty. It's my favorite bronzer. I actually use it as like a contour because it's that dark. Like it's, I don't even know if, can you guys see it? Yeah. And then I just take my powder brush and go over my contour so it's not harsh. And my highlight I'm gonna be using is my Dior Nude Air Luminizer in shade 004. And I use this when I want a pretty yet subtle highlight. It gives you a nice pop, but not too much. I don't want too much. Now for my lips, I'm gonna apply my MAC lip gloss in Myth. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result. Do you guys like it? I think it actually turned out pretty good. I think some of my colors got lost and drowned in this look, but that's not due to the formula or the eyeshadows. That's due to skill. I think this type of look is way beyond my skill. I definitely need to practice doing my eyeshadow looks more. This was definitely a winged look, but it still turned out really, really pretty. I tried to do that whole halo eye thing. I think I kind of nailed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Yes, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb this video up if you like my makeup tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.